Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to do my plan with me for this week for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Challenge. I am not in the craft lab. I am out of state, and I have a makeshift recording area set up here. Hopefully this will work. But let's go ahead and get started. I do have a few supplies. Some I brought with me, some I had shipped to me so that I could record during this time. I hope everybody is safe and well during this situation and self-distancing and staying at home and, like I said, being safe. It's been kind of crazy, but I do want to show you last week that I did absolutely nothing on this spread. But it's okay. I'm going to go on and move to the next week, and I'm going to use a different insert. I have them back here in the back. I'm going to use the Hobonichi style insert here. So it's the whole week on one page and then grid. These are available in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. This is a whole different insert, a daily insert, and maybe we will get to that eventually, but not for now. So this week's theme is golden. These are the two washi tapes that I'm going to use for this. And I also have these gold roses that are available to patrons. So I have the large and the small. Then this is a digital that's available in my shop. So it has quite a bit of gold here. And then these are some boxes that are also, I do have colorful boxes and it has quite a few gold things in it. But I may not use these. I'll probably just stick with the washi tape being gold and use gold stickers. So, and I also forgot to mention that this is a Fauxbonichi or a Hobonichi. It's a DIY classic half sheet planner that I made myself. It has the classic size rose gold disc. The cover I made myself with a doll from Coco's Vision. And the dividers and title page are from Creative Design by Jessica. So, okay. See, I'm a little out of sorts because this is not my normal setup, and yeah, I have a really limited space here to work in. And the theme is golden, but it doesn't say yellow gold, it just says golden. So it could be a yellow gold and rose gold. We'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and put boxes down. Maybe these aren't such a good idea. Let's see. Because they don't really look great with the washi. Let's see what I can do. Here. Something a little smaller. Okay, so yeah, I think I'll go ahead and use the gold foil. It looks a little better. So I also have my word stickers, and I think I'm going to use a date cover from Crafting by the Pound. If you didn't know, Crafting by the Pound is converting to a digital shop, and you can still use my code RACH15. I think I put the wrong code in the previous video, but the correct code is RACH15. And even though this isn't quite gold, I think it has a bit of a gold. Why am I saying gold like that? I think it has a bit of a gold look. So I'm going to see if I can use these swatches here. They may be too wide. Yep, they're too wide to go that way. But I think we can do them this way. Yeah. Let's do that. Missing my tweezers too. Okay, I do have some tweezers with me. Let me get my tweezers. And yes, these are taking up quite a bit of space on these small inserts. But for this particular planner, I don't need to write a lot. We are on a self-imposed lockdown of sorts. So there's no running around. There's no tasks to do outside of the house. Everything is inside. So there's not really that much for me to do. My work planner is going to be full because I plan to work on all those projects that I've not had time to do or put off while we're going through this bit of a crisis. Okay, so this week is the 23rd through the 29th, I believe. I know we have a 23rd, so I'm just going to put it in that little box right up underneath the day of the week. I really like these date dots. They're like the perfect size. I probably could have moved them up, but it doesn't matter because there's only limited space underneath there anyway. So I'm going to be doing some art journaling and other projects while this is going on. So like this is my first test run using this setup. It's a little awkward, but I think I can work around it. Let me see if we need something at the bottom. Why not? Let's finish it off. There's no ballet. Actually, there is. Let me take that back. Tuesday, they are doing a virtual class. So I'm going to go ahead and put a sticker down for that. These are the ones that weren't sticking well. So Tuesday, we have ballet, actually. Okay, so I do have these no school stickers. These are available in my shop. So this week, no school. And put that on there. There's no Walgreens, Hobby Lobby, all of that. But I can use one of these to pay stickers because there will be bills to pay. Let's move this if I can. I'm gonna move that to somewhere else and put the to pay. It's not that important, so I don't want to put it too close to the top. Let me go ahead and put no school up here. Okay. And then let's see. We still have payday so far. That will be Wednesday. And let's see what else we got going on here. Happy Mail came today. It's actually Monday when I'm filming this. So you can use Happy Mail sticker. And this is what I was looking for. A good to-do sticker. Oops. Sorry. A to-do sticker for this week. And there's no coffee runs, no errands. I do need to clean my machine though, definitely. I think I'll do that Wednesday. Okay, I have my doll stickers. I think I might want to use her. The Fendi girl is cute too. I mean, she's not gold, but she kind of fits right in. For some reason, she stands out as the choice. So I'm going to put her down here on Saturday and Sunday because it really wouldn't matter. There's not much going on any day. But let's put her down there. And then I'm going to put the other doll over there. Let's make sure I don't have anything else I want to use. Yeah. I'm going to use a smaller one. I don't know about that no school. It just stands out as awkward to me. I think I'm just going to put it down here in the bottom corner so it's not so obtrusive. Yeah. So now for the things, for the days that I know I have something to do, I'm going to use these boxes. I already marked the Happy Mail. I have something to do tomorrow and Friday. Let's see if we can get this behind her. And when I say something to do, it doesn't mean I'm going anywhere. It means I have something to do. So I'm attending the parent webinar for the virtual learning that starts Monday. So that's what I have to do there. And I'm going to use one of these list strips on here. And I should use one there. I don't want to use a whole one though. I wanted to use this on here too. Okay. And so far so good. Now let's look into the florals. I think the big flowers are too big for this. So we're going to go with the smaller ones and just add a little deco. So this is my little pouch from a JD in Brooklyn that I use when I'm on the go, which isn't often, but I have some scissors in here. Oh, I do have some other tweezers in here. So, see, I don't even know what I got with me. So I only have a few of my Happy Planner sticker books with me. So that means I don't have a whole lot to choose from. But I'm going to use this Think Happy, Be Happy sticker from the Planner Basics mini book. And I'm just going to do a little layering with some of the florals. I think I can do it like that. Okay, maybe a few more flowers. Let's put one up here by Monday. I probably went a little overboard with the flowers, but I have to work with what I got. So I think I'm gonna call that good. So this gives me just enough space on each day for what to kind of record what's happening, which isn't much. And then the few little to-dos that I'll have. This space is a little limited, but because the dots are so far apart, I think that'll be fine. Plus I have all this space here, so I'm good. So let me put this in here. I'm gonna move it from the back where it was up to right behind this one. And all these inserts that I'm using, that you've seen me use, are inserts that are available in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. So this is my golden spread. So that's it for this week's plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!